Peterbilt offers several seat options to maximize your comfort, whatever your application is. Please note that some of the features demonstrated here are optional, and your vehicle may or may not include them. To manually set the fore and aft position, locate the bar below the seat cushion. Slide the seat where you want it. The seats in this vehicle are equipped with a switch that locks out the fore and aft isolator function in the seat. When locked, the seat will not move back and forth and only allowed to move up and down with the vehicle's movements. To set the seat height, locate the large switch on the left side of the seat cushion in the center of the seat pad. Press up to move the seat higher and down to move the seat lower. You can adjust the thigh support by toggling the switch located immediately under the seat bottom cushion. You can also adjust the seat back recline angle. Suspension stiffness is adjusted by pressing forward for firm and backward for soft. For easy access out of the cab, the seat is also equipped with an express down feature. Finally, you can adjust the lumbar support by using the switch bank located on the side of the seat cushion. Seat heating and cooling options also may be in your vehicle.